Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and आप देख रहे हैं Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing question number 4.1. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of solutions regarding the assignments, and we provide the PDF and the handwritten assignments too. So if you need a personal online tuition, so you can contact also. Here is the number which is showing on your screen, 90093682238. On this number you can message us or call us, whichever you are liking. Now, the question number one is Sunita is working on a large worksheet with the first row as columns headings. Those headings will disappear as the worksheet is scrolled down. Write the steps through which she can fix the first row so that the headings do not disappear even after scrolling down. So here we providing all the answers accordingly. We have prepared all the answers, and if you need this you can contact us accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.